installation is there or not. We'll just give ESF and EF there. CRS. We can see that the CRS is started from the previous form only. Now we have Wysheid folder. Inside that we have a folder called grid 11.2.2. It's an empty folder. Okay, so this will be our target directory to do the installation. Now what is it? We'll shut down everything. CD grid underscore TRS stop TRS hyphen. Here also just verify whether the start of something more. The services are stopped now. Now we'll go to this node. Again. Now we'll go to Wysheid. There's a software. So how you, from which node we started with another days? Because last day I tried, but I didn't. That's the different job institution. Yeah. Oh, your machine had some issue and we didn't proceed over, right? Yeah. Now I got it. Okay. In that case, we can redo that. We'll unset the software. But after that, your system came all right, right? And today when I started, yesterday it was fine. No problem. No, see, that 11.2.2 software consists of the database software, and 1 and 2 is the database software. Third one is the grid software. with the software updates and upgrade the data infrastructure. Okay. Now it's telling that the installer has detected that the Oracle customer is not running on the local node. Oracle recommends that you upgrade the Oracle customer in rolling manner. Install cannot detect none of the existing Oracle built infrastructure. Did it wrong. And so not to detect the owner of it. Okay. Do you want to continue? Let's continue. For rolling manner, we need to apply that patch. I forgot to. If it's not working, then we'll download that patch and then. Not selected. Now it's looking for the SSH connected to here because it's already it is configured SSH. ASMDB, ASM04 and ASM1. Okay. Software location we'll call this one as /Wysheid /create _ 11 2. In this case, there is not much prerequisite that we will be taking this because we are already installed the upgrade there. In the rolling forward upgrade, how we will do that? We will apply the patch. So that's the prerequisite. Before we apply start up the upgradation, we have to apply the patch on the environment, both on the Oracle form as well as on the builder. Then you start up the installation without shutting down anything. And while at the end it will be telling us to run the root upgrade.sh, how it is going to do. At the time it will shut down the resource on that very node, upgrade it and then proceed with the next. It is telling about the physical memory. Inside. You have some, telling us to run the root upgrade.sh from the first one and the second one. So what I'll do is, I'll be starting a new shell. Okay. Full path. Alright. installation on the first now. Our background process started. You can see that one. The CRS background process started from the new Oracle. Okay. Now we will go to that location. ./CRS check. Cluster difference are on that. Okay. Now we'll check the version. CRS you can sharing CSS CRS active version. Hence the Oracle ClusterWise active version is 11.2.1. Okay. Now let's check the software version. This is 11.2.1. That means installed version is 11.2, but the one which is running on the currently cluster will be always the lowest version. That is 11.2.1. Once we are running the root order system on the other node, it will be this change. Okay. Now we'll go to the second node. This time it may not be taking too much time because it's not, you don't have to do format anything. They have to just start up the resources from that purpose. Yeah. So here you can see that one, the CRS is upgraded, and it says that Oracle Cluster operating system operating version is upgraded successfully set to 11.2. You should not remove the existing alt grid form. We should not do that. We should remove only the complete upgradation complete. That means next is the RDBMS upgradation, and then the database upgradation. Because RDBMS is still linking to the alt grid form. So to avoid that complication, make sure that it's available. Yeah, it will still asking that it could not find out the alt form. So once everything is completed, then you can successfully yes, upgrades are cool. Now let's go to this place as well. To the bin. We are on the new Oracle. CRS we can check. CRS active. share side. Subject to 1120. And then here are CTN. Check. Cluster. Both in also fine. Now we can go back here and yeah. It is at this stage it's updating the inventory, then run the cluster verification. At this stage, once this is completed, if you are looking at the inventory, you can see that it's showing the previous form as well as the new form. Get the written constructed form, grid 11.2. And here I have installed, I think I have installed two RAC forms. So that's the reason for DB Home 1 and DB Home 2 server. I think for that lab, how to relocate an RAC form for an existing data. You can able to relocate an if you wanted to move the DB Home 1, you should use the deinstall command. In this Oracle form itself, there is one deinstall utility. Okay. Yeah. Because physically removing is not recommended on the RAC environment. Because we have to remove and we have to update the inventory as well. You can see that there is one deinstall. There you have the deinstall script. You have to call the deinstall script. Update the inventory and then it's almost done. Okay. So our installation, upgradation of the grid infrastructure is completed. Now we have to upgrade our RTPMS. So upgradation of the RTPMS is nothing but a new installation of the RTPMS. There is no upgrade script or anything you are following. We are just starting the installation. We are telling them this proceeding with the Oracle form installation on a RAC environment. Select both the forms and install it on. Only the database upgradation is coming. Only the upgrade whatever we are telling from the database perspective. It's only the upgradation of the database, not the Oracle form. There is Oracle form is not getting upgraded. It is just getting installed on a new location with the new version. Okay. So what we'll do that we will be creating a directory. CD/version. And here we are. Oracle, right? I think we may have to unzip the software. You have a now what is the will database? Here again, if you wanted to provide the metallic process, we don't want it. So next, you don't want updates. Okay. Here there are three options. One is to create and configure new database. Okay, install the database software only. Upgrade the database. So normally the procedure which I follow is that install software and then go for an upgradation separately. So here we, to understand that how that upgrade is going to take place, we just select the upgrade option. So what happens there, Oracle will be telling you to install the software and then it will identify that there is a database already there and then it will try to bring up the database. How we have a database, right? Okay. Just understand that it's an Oracle database plus database installation. So the next is okay. In the presentation, because it's going to do a fresh installation and then at end it is going to Oracle base we have to change it. Our Oracle base is small Wysheid 11.2.0 and the phone will be small Wysheid underscore 11. Once the installation is completed, now it will proceed with the installation. Once the installation is completed, it will call database upgrade session, DBUA. DBUP or UA. It's going to take more than. Now it's telling to run the root order search on both. So the time. This root order search doesn't have much significance. Now you can see that it is going to call the database upgrade of system. But here, what I would suggest is that you should go through the prerequisites of upgrading from 11.2.1 to 11.2.2. The reason is that if the prerequisites are not matching or not meeting during the time of upgrade, the upgradation of system may fail. So production environments, I prefer that you use the manual upgrade only. This is the one, right? Just to run. Because it is selecting from the ETC tab, and in the tab we have the test RAC 1 as well as test RAC 2. That's the reason it's showing that. Sorry? D install. First you have to do for the RDBMS form, then proceed with the database. Now it says that the recycle bin contains objects. Require the recycle bin empty for the run purge recycle bin command using script before you continue with the upgrade. So the best option will be that connect to SQL Plus and issue the purge DBA recycle bin. Okay. So we connect it to first. I will go back and you want to continue upgrade, yes. If you wanted to turn off archiving, you can upgrade and upgrade the Stone version. These two things can be done, or we can ignore it. I'm just ignoring and
If you upgrade it is automatically on by the
I'm turning off it. This is what you are asking, right? Yeah. Now
after the upgrade, it automatically
it will no. Here it will this one upgradation will be going with the no logging option. So database will be running in dark log mode only, but with the no logging option. The data, which is the data disk group, data is our disk group, and first query area one enter. Fine. If it is not sufficient, then it will be telling us. Configure the database manager. Okay, what was the earlier person? Calculate.
no, database password is
Yeah, you want to put the telling that process around of not matching with the Oracle's recommendation. Now you have the database upgrade. Warnings if not, urge underscore Wysheid will be we have corrected it. But since it was already there, it's telling that the following components will get upgraded. Installation changes. SGI target has been upgraded. Interface manager.